Hey guys, hey, how you doing? Zaid, I wanted to make this quick video. I want to show you guys how exactly I'm trying to get my listings created. So here I am over here on the images section of Inkfrog. So you'll click this, go to your images. We're going to immediately scroll down and we're going to select the first product that we did. You guys have already done some of this, so okay. Let's say I want to do I just did the skirt, so let's do this blue dress here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to listings, create new listing. Immediately first, you're going to go down to add images. I know that item I want to do is not on this page, so we'll go page over. Oops, sorry. Click on unposted items first. Then we'll go to page over again, and here is the item I want to do. You guys will be picking your own items and just select all of the pictures that look the same. And make sure there's no more than 12. So that's 6, 7, 8. I've done too many of this item. We'll do that one. 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. You selected. Okay. Now right off the bat, the first thing we're going to want to do is determine what the brand is of this item, which it is a dress. It looks like a lace dress, and it's turquoise. You should be able to determine that right off the bat from just the photos, but we're going to click on this picture because it has the tag. Click on that, and the brand is Laundry by Shelly Segal. So we'll minimize that. You're going to come up here to a different screen that you have open. You click on this, and you're at eBay.com. We're going to type in Laundry by Shelly Segal turquoise dress, turquoise lace dress. Hit enter. Now we're just going to kind of scroll down. And see, we might need to remove the word turquoise because we can't find it. I spelled it wrong. Just type in lace dress. Okay, now see, this dress looks very similar to the one I'm selling. Here's another one that looks actually more similar. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this. And now we're going to be copying this listing. So we will copy this. Copy. Go back over to your Inkfrog listing. And you will paste this into the title. And then we have Laundry by Shelly Segal, just like the tag says, but it's not blue. It is teal. Teal. And it's not an open back dress, so we'll delete that. It is a Venice lace dress. And the size, we can look here, is a 4. Size 4. And we do not want to have this new description there. So we have Laundry by Shelly Segal, teal Venice lace dress, size 4. And that will be it. Okay, and then now down here, I just want to pretty much copy the same thing. Laundry by Shelly Segal. I typed Los Angeles because it says that right here, Los Angeles. teal lace dress, size 4. And we'll add some bullet points. So this is a beautiful lace dress. It is teal in color. Has a zipper back. You can tell it has a zipper back from this picture right here. It has a zipper. It is a floral design. It is a floral pattern. And we'll just kind of scan over the pictures, make sure we don't see anything wrong with it. Here's a piece of information you can put in your description that it's 32 inches long. And it does look like it has a little damage mark there. But you guys don't worry about inputting damage comments, as I'm going to do that for you. But it is 32 inches long. So we'll go up here and type in length is 32 inches. And then this should be good on the description. So we'll go ahead and enter again. We're going to type in item ships free with USPS first class shipping. And then please ask any questions you may have before purchasing. And that'll be it on your description. So just a few bullet points, comments about the dress. We're going to save this to the folder for who created it. So Hassan, you would save this one to yours. Excuse me, and then Saeed, Saeed, you'd save this to your listing. I'm going to put don't use folder for me because, actually I'm going to add a folder for me. There's listings, add folder, okay. Come down here. And we don't want this as the gallery picture, so I would like to have one of the front pictures. And now this is the gallery picture. We want the item, the main photo of the item to be the very front of the dress on the mannequin. Okay, category. Just type in women's dress. And right here, clothing, shoes, and accessories, women's clothing, dresses. Click on that. Fixed price, good due canceled, no charities, no international site, visibility, store category. This is within my eBay store, so I'll go down to women's clothes, dresses. Don't need to do a second category. Item condition is pre-owned. I always just put gently loved in this condition description. Brand is not free people, it's laundry. Typed in Shelly to find it, laundry by Shelly Segal, right there. It's regular size, and we determined it was size 4. There's actually a 4P, so we'll put the P. And the style is a lace dress. Not sure if it's cotton, so we're going to remove that. It's not ivory, it is teal. Machine washable is fine. Bottom, custom detail label. Bottom size. Oh, that's saying the bottom's the size of the item is on the label. We're not going to get rid of that. We already have the color on there. We can put occasion as casual. You don't really need to add too much. Just make sure you do the color on there. This is the item postal code. This one is Texas. We're going to do designer template 1. No best offer. Don't worry about the price normally, guys, but I'm going to go ahead and do this one. No variations. I do not currently accept returns, so just uncheck that box. Shipping profile. Link existing profile. First class package. Select. Package detail. Just always put in depth as 1, length as 13, and width as 10. Just always do that for me. And then weight, you can always just put 8. And this is a package. And payment profile, we're going to link existing profile, PayPal link. And that's it. And then for you guys, you just go up to hit save. And I'm gonna do 2 things on this one since I don't have a dress profile created over here in profiles. I'm gonna go ahead and save as a master profile, and it is a dress listing. So we're gonna save it as a dress. This is a dress listing. Save profile. Now we're also gonna go up here and hit save to library. And that's it. All we're going to do is now go to listing line. You're done as far as creating that listing. So now when you guys are done, I will be able to go up here, click on your name for your listings and pull up everything that you've done for the day. And then I will go in and edit the price and everything else I need to add. But that should be it as far as creating that listing. But you do need to go back to images. Change this to unposted items, and we do need to go to the pictures that we just took out of unposted items and selected them all. Select all the ones that relate to that product that you just did. And I'm going to create a folder for each of you guys again. And we're just going to do this for now. Error listing has 0. Bulk images, see it has all 13 images selected still. So we're going to go to move to folder. And I'm going to move it to my listings. There you go. So that way we know that the items in unposted items, that item is done, and now we can no longer find it in there. So now in order to do the next listing, we're going to go back up to listings, create new listing, and start all over again. Always go down to images first, go to unposted items, find an item that you want to list, and go from there. So, for example, just for examples purposes, this would be a next item I would want to list. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, sorry, that's a different item. So it only goes to here. That's where it goes to. I'm just going to do it so you guys can see what it looks like. There they all are, all pulled up. And this is an Adidas shirt, and then you would go from there and start listing that one. And so, for example, I didn't take a picture of the tag on this one because I thought that was the tag. So you would just have to maybe send me a note saying that the size is not in the picture for this, and you can still do the listing and just leave a note on that specific listing. But other than that, if you guys have any questions, that should be about it as far as creating a listing. All right. Also, actually, I'll do that in another video. But there you go.